In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the team workspace in Todoist step by step if you're managing a workspace you no longer need or you're cleaning up old project spaces. This quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings to use so you can remove the team workspace safely and correctly. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Todoist tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into the account that has permission to manage the team workspace. Once you're inside Todoist, look to the top left corner and click your avatar icon to open the menu. From there, go into Settings. This is where Todoist keeps all of your account and workspace controls, so this is the first place you need to be. Now, inside Settings, look for Team Workspace Settings. According to the setup, you'll find this under the Calendar tab, so take a moment to locate that section and open it. Once you're in Team Workspace Settings, click on General. This is where Todoist places the main workspace management options, including the deletion controls. After opening General, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you should see the option to delete the team. This is the action that removes the team workspace, so make sure you are completely sure before clicking it. If needed, double check that you no longer need the workspace because deleting it is usually permanent and may remove access for everyone in the team. When you're ready, click Delete Team and follow any confirmation prompts that appear on the screen. Todoist may ask you to confirm your decision one more time, just to make sure you want to proceed. Complete the confirmation and the team workspace will be deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete the team workspace in Todoist. This is a useful process to know when you're reorganizing your projects or removing old workspaces you no longer need. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more Todoist guides, productivity tips, and simple step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.